spectrum black, every echo stripped of slack. No horizon, no escape, just a room that learns to shake. Blackroom hammer code engaged, each strike tightens the cage. No melody to save your mind, only impact sharp and blind. Let the pattern decompose. Blackroom, hammer code, strike and seal, repeat. Blackroom, hammer code, no rhythm left to cheat. Blackroom, hammer code, pressure stacked in frames. Blackroom, hammer code, impact writes the names. Sway but never break, each motion learned from the quake. Eyes adjust to pure constraint, darkness trains what light can't paint. No relief, no appeal, only what the hits reveal. Blackroom, hammer code, cage complete, system tight. Blackroom, hammer code, beats replace the light. When the room forgets its size. Blackroom, hammer code, only force survives. When the hammer finally rests, the code stays active.